Hello everyone, so if you want to set up the sound equalizer on the Xiaomi 14T Pro, you are to open up your settings, scroll down to your sound and vibration tab right here. Now go to the sound effects right here, open it up and choose a graphic equalizer. So now you can choose for one of the presets, right? So simply tap on the preset and it will be automatically applied, or if you want to create a custom one, you can simply press custom and rearrange the hertz to your taste. So simply choose the frequency you want to add. For example, let's add a lot of bass, right? Because we all respect bass. So let's add a lot of bass. Let's lower our highs and let's add up some middle. So, and it will be automatically saved. So as we see as a left, now let's go back and now it's automatically saved. So basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.